Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and if you guys are new here, I'm Elaine, this is Danny, and this over here, Gatsby, look! Gatsby. This is Gatsby. We are at Lake Placid right now, and I have been praying to take Gatsby out to an adventure where we have freezing temps and also snow. So it's actually snowing today, and it is very cold. It's like, what, -5 degrees here right now? And we just got to the cabin. Can't wait to show you guys where we're staying. We're actually at Lake Placid, at Lake Placid Lodge. We'll show you guys around in a bit, but for now, they set us up with some champagne and some cheese, and we also have some chocolate-covered strawberries. We'll be snacking on these, and then also take Gatsby out for a little walk later out in the snow. Gatsby, you ready to go? Yeah? You want some cheese? They got you some cheese. Yeah?
What kind of cheese are we working with in here? Do we have any salami? What kind of meat we got? What do you smell? All right, let's open it up. Whoa, baby. Hold on, buddy. You can't have any yet. I gotta inspect it first to see what we're working with. Listen, we have some blue cheese. We have some honey, that looks like honeycomb, some jam, some salami, I think it's salami, a couple meats here, I'm not sure what that is. I'm pretty sure you can eat this, Gatsby. Hold on, let me take a piece of this.
You taste it first.
Yeah, it's not Swiss, but what's that strong cheese? Stinky cheese?
Gouda?
Yeah, Gouda. You want Gouda? Okay, hold on. I'll give you a little bit of Gouda. Just a taste.
Ooh, you don't like the cheese?
Good?
Yummy.
Okay. Can't give you this though, because I believe... I'm not sure. Let me try this first. It's like a salami. Give me a little piece. Just a taste. Here. What's up, Julie? Here. No? You don't want it? Okay. 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 No more.
What's up, guys? Come on, Gatsby, come back and let Daddy come inside first. Alright guys, so we just want to give you a quick tour of the place. As soon as you come in, let's first go to the bathroom. So this is actually going to be my favorite part of the cabin, and the reason for that is because we have a super deep soaker in here. Danny, you want to show that? This is where I will be spending my night tonight. Right over here, we have a full standing shower. All hot water, so I'll be taking a hot shower as well. Coming this way, you're gonna have the king-size bed, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I really love the details of the bedposts. Gatsby? I'm not sure if Gatsby's going to sleep here tonight, but we'll see what happens. We also have the living room area over here, and guys, the most beautiful part about the entire cabin is the actual view of the entire lake. Gatsby was actually over here before, and he was looking outside, and I think he really wants to go out there and walk across the lake, but we are not doing that. So this is where we'll be spending some time later. And then if you come this way, we have all the wood logs. We'll be starting a fireplace tonight. And then over here, we have a little writing desk. Danny, you want to play chess tonight? Wait, where's his checkers? I don't even know. And then over here is where we have a refrigerator. We'll be keeping Gatsby's raw food. So everything here is complimentary. We have water, other soft drinks and stuff like that. Coffee maker is over here. We also have a kettle on top where I'll be making some tea tonight. So that's about it. This area will be keeping all of our luggage and stuff like that. Yep. So this is the place, guys. I am so excited because later on we're going to be heading out to dinner at a restaurant. We have a special accommodations for us. They are actually going to be setting up a special area so we can bring Gatsby along. So I can't wait to bring you guys there. We are finally heading out to dinner right now, and look, guys, Danny's actually wearing his LOB jacket. He never wears a big jacket because he doesn't like bulky jackets, but it's freezing outside.
I hate the cold weather.
Come on.
Come on, Gatsby. Let's go.
Gatsby can't wait to go outside.
They'll lock the door, Gabs. Come on. Hey, Gatsby, look. There's some sleds here. You and Mommy can go sledding tomorrow. What do you think?
Go sledding tomorrow?
All right, Gatsby.
Are you going to pull me?
He wants to go dinner first.
Alright, let's go dinner. Guys, so we have a special room that was set up for us for dinner.
Gatsby.
Gatsby, look, you have your own room for dinner.
It's a little too cold outside right now, so.
Of course, fireplace. Gatsby, you're all nice and warm now. You don't have to stay outside. Just got back to the cabin. We finished dinner. And now it's Gatsby's turn to have his dinner. So like we mentioned, we brought his raw food with him, left it in the refrigerator. And tonight he's having rabbit grind with green tripe, quail eggs, and some bok choy.
Hey, high five.
Good
Give me a high five. Okay, go.
Alright, baby, enjoy.
Gatsby, do you want to help me create a fire? Alright, let's try. Whoa, baby. Damn, that's fast. What did they put gasoline on that sucker?
Gatsby, make it warm by the fire.
You don't lie about the fireplace? Keep warm. Ooh, look.
Good night, Gatsby. Sweet dreams. Alright guys, this is the next morning. It's snowing outside right now. Not sure if you can see it, but we ordered breakfast this morning and they were able to deliver it to our cabin. Danny got the French toast. Got some extra crispy bacon so he can share with this guy over here. And I got myself a lox bagel and have some coffee. So today's adventure is going to be a little different. Danny went to get a sled, so we're going to see if Gatsby can pull me in it. Then later we're going to do some outdoor activities such as, you know, hiking and also planting some snowshoes and walking around the area so Gatsby can play with more snow. Your snow mustache?
Why you have such a small mustache? You have icicles on your freaking lips, Gabby.
Iced up now. Okay. Guys, this is the place to come to if you're bringing your pet to Lake Placid. They have basically everything. So let's say if you forget to bring any supplements or anything like that, or fish oil, they have all of that in here. So, man and beast. Awesome place.
They got a lot of treats here. Which one do you like, Gatsby?
Gatsby, look at all these treats.
Such a selection. I don't know what to get you. What are you gonna go to eat?
There are like a lot of treats here, like all these different brands, all natural.
Yeah, we got fish skin.
This is nice, I like this.
Herrings, whole herrings. Oh wow, look at this.
Let's go over here.
We have some of that.
It's like raw dog food here as well, so if you guys ever come up here and you run out of dog food and you're feeding raw, so this is also a great place to come. Pick up some frozen food for your dog. We have bone broth here. This is really nice. We even found him the fish oil that we usually give him. We couldn't bring that with us because we had such a big one, but they have these travel size ones too, so this is really good. Alright guys, so we made it out to Mirror Lake, and this is where the lake is usually frozen in the winter, and then you also have dog sledding here. We're not doing dog sledding today because we're with Gatsby, but we figured that we want to bring him out here to have him to see what it looks like. And I believe those are the dogs down there. They're ready to start sledding. Gatsby, what do you think? Are those your peoples? Are those your peoples? You know how to pull a sled like them? Gatsby, what are they doing? You wanna go pull a sled too? Yeah.
I know, you gotta wait, Gatsby. Mom will be back. She's gonna go around and then she's gonna come back, okay?
Thank you for the ride, guys. Hey guys, so this is day 3. We're out having lunch.
I know you.
Okay, hold on. Gatsby got himself a little patty. You want a patty? Let Daddy cut it up. Wait, you gotta wait. Let Daddy cut it up. Ooh. Alright guys, it's the morning of. We are all packed up and ready to head back to New York City. But before we go, we're going to let Gatsby play out in the snow for one last time. Gatsby, not sure we have any snow in New York City. But we just wanted to let you guys know that this is such an amazing place to stay if you're in the New York City area. It's only 5 hours away. I've always wanted to stay in a little cabin in the woods with so much snow, and Lake Placid Lodge did not disappoint. And we really can't wait to come back here during the fall and also during the holidays. Right, Gatsby? Alright, guys. And the staff here, if you guys are seeing this, you guys were so friendly and so accommodating. So thank you so much for everything. And we will be back. Come on, let's go.